What's up, guys? Welcome back to Rambling Garage. Today we're going to take a look at some new products for detailing. It's our Thursday review day. We're going to take a look at York's. They are called York's Wax is what they're called. I had Lance from York's Wax reach out to me. He let me know that they're an American-based company. They're all American-made and they use American-sourced products. They do have, I have a couple of their products over here. They have a buttercream wax right here. And we're not gonna test this one today. We're gonna do one of their sprays that I have. But we're going to look at this. This is organic, chemical-free wax. And this is supposed to be good for people, especially with pets. And no chemicals. You don't have to worry about your pets getting into it potentially. Or if you have a dog that likes to be out in the garage, it's a good one to use because you don't have to worry about them getting into the chemicals. So we're going to test that in a later video. We have 3 products here, and I will show you them right now. We have 3 products that they sent us. Obviously, the Car Show Buttercream Wax. I look forward to using that moving forward on our next project car that we have coming in. What we're going to use today is the Best in Show High Gloss Spray Wax. We're going to compare this to a similar Meguiar's product, actually the Ultimate Quick Wax right here. And I told Lance that these are, I'm kind of a Meguiar's fanboy and I use a lot of their stuff, so we'll kind of be comparing to them. And then lastly, they have the Gold Standard Ceramic Wax. I'm excited to use this. It says it'll last up to 12 months, and yeah, that could be a fun one. So we're going to do half and half on the spoiler on the Trans Am here. I'm going to do the York's Wax, the Best in Show High Gloss Wax Spray, or Spray Wax. And then I'm going to do the Meguiar's on one side as well. And we'll get a comparison. Alright, so starting with the York's Wax Best in Show. I will say I apologize on that last clip. I had one of the worst sounding vehicles I think any of us have ever heard in our life in the background. So hopefully you can still hear what I was saying. But we're just going to start. I like to get a little on the towel I'm using first, and then we'll spray on the car. And we'll follow up with the Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Wax. As you see, I buy these on clearance sometimes, but they're pretty good cheap stuff to grab, so we'll see how it compares to that. Okay, so first things first, these are the 2 products that I compared. Started with the York's Wax on the left side of the car, the Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Wax on the right side. I will say, and this is being nitpicky, I like the spray bottle of the Meguiar's just a little bit better. This feels a little bit like a Windex spray bottle, and it works. This just seems to have a little bit nicer pattern to it. Other than that, no complaints. I would say the Quick Wax maybe spread a little easier, but again, that'd be being very, very picky. Let's turn around and look at the finishes. So again, we just did the spoiler, the York's Wax on the left, the Meguiar's on the right, and just looking at it through the camera, it's going to be very hard to tell. I feel like, in all honesty, I feel like the York's Wax kind of brought out some of the metallics and has a kind of sleeker look to it. It's very hard to show. I'm trying to show in the lights. In terms of smoothness, it's pretty smooth. I'd say they're about the same. I've always liked how the Meguiar's finishes. I think the York's Wax just has a slightly nicer, slightly more glossy finish, and I'm sure it's very, very hard to tell on camera. But I did see a little bit of the, if we look here, and I don't know how much the camera's going to show, I did see a little bit of the metallics pop a little bit more at the York's. The Meguiar's didn't do terrible. But, you know, I think both are pretty adequate. But the York's, in my opinion, popped a little bit better. All right, guys, so there you have it. We took a look at the York's Wax Best in Show High Gloss Spray Wax. I thought it performed pretty well. Like I said, the bottle of the Meguiar's might be a little bit better. The Meguiar's might spread a little bit better. But I think the finish on this was actually a little bit better, and I liked it. I think it looks good. So if you guys get a shot, definitely be sure to check them out. They're made in America, sourcing American ingredients and stuff like that. Really, really cool stuff. I'll put a link in the description to their site, and I'll put Lance's email in the description if he's okay with that. Be sure to check them out. Be sure to support them. They are American. It's pretty cool. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I will be doing the other products here in the near future, and we'll be comparing them to, again, either Meguiar's or Mother's similar products. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.